kakampi, kaibigan, at kabalikat ng mamamayan. Pariun! Ngayon!
Sa kasalukuyan ay nagaganap itong press conference ng ating bagong Provincial Information Officer na si Mr. Nonon Pagalibog Jr. At sa loob, narito ang mga local media sa lawigan ng Masbate at patuloy ang kanilang pagbibigayan ng opinyon at kung ano pa ang magagandang programa dito sa bagong administrasyon ni Honorable Governor Antonio Tico. Sa ngayon ay kukuha na natin nagpahayag ang ating Provincial Information Officer at ating kapanimin kaugnay naman dito sa mga programa ng provincial government na ikangaya sa panguna naman ng ating buhing gobernador ng lawigan ng Masbate na si Honorable Governor Antonio Tico. At ano po itong mga ikangaya na pag-usapan ng local media at ng inyong opisina ng Provincial Information Office na ikangay nanin po natin yung mga programa at ang mga plano ng provincial ng Masbate at para naman sa local media at para sa mga Masbate.
The provincial government is committed to render support to the empower the local media practitioners because they're considered as an indispensable partners in the Provincial Information Office and more particularly in the provincial government in the entirety. So we informed the local media that as partners we will work together for the betterment of the present administration and for the betterment of the people. So one of which is napag-usapan yung the creation of a press briefing room or press conference room. Another thing is tinignan natin ang welfare ng media practitioners natin kung paano makakatulong ang ating provincial government. Number 3 is we simplified schemes on how we could effectively coordinate with each other on matters of information aspect ng professional media and the information dissemination schemes.
Sir, ako po sa mga banggit ko ninyo, ano pa yung mga susunod na hakbang ng ating buting gobernador ng lawigan Masbate na si Honorable Governor Antonio Tico? So ano na po yung mga...
Well, nakita naman natin na the provincial government has already started. One is the governor has issued his marching orders for the cancellation of requiring permits in the province of Masbate with more emphasis on the quarry permits issued in Bañadero, Masbate. Another thing is the government has already issued his marching order, in fact already effected, and the provincial engineering office has already removed the temporary canopy installed in front of the provincial capital. The purpose of which is to restore the political heritage of the province. Another thing is the provincial government through the initiative of our Parks and Plaza supervisor has already cleared the thoroughfares alongside the social center, the public social center. This is for an review of promoting public order and promoting public safety to the pedestrians, to the children who frequently get out of the Masbate Social Center to buy something from the vendors alongside the Masbate Social Center. Number 3, the provincial government through a executive order has already reactivated the PUSTAC or the so-called Provincial Operation for Socio-Economic Development and Anti-Crime Task Force. This will deal with our fight against illegal drugs and other lawlessness. So ang dami nang nagawa ng ating provincial governor in very 5 days from 6 to the 1 in office. At marami tayo gagawin para sa mga
So at yung dito natin din, ito ngayon yung mga plano ang ating buting gobernador. Kaugnay naman sa health program at kung saan ay magiging libre yata ang ating mga mas-mas ninyo.
Naawa kasi natin yung gobernador sa ating mga kababayan walang pambayad sa ospital. It's quite hard to pay for hospital bills with empty pockets. So the good governor has called the attention of the officers of the provincial health office purposely to ensure that the people of Masbate will pay no more bills. So it will be a zero-rated hospitalization. Yan ang ginawa ng ating Panginoon Gobernador sa pamamagitan ng pagdagdag ng mga insentibo sa ating mga pahulong doctors. Number 2, pagmungkahin niya na kung maaari ang ating sangguniang panaliligan ay magkaroon ng legislature para mautorisa siya na pumasok sa memorandum of agreement wherein ng mga malalaking hospital at malalaking universities, nearby universities and hospitals, would allow their resident doctors and interns to do rotation in our provincial hospital. Number 2, sinisiguro na ating gobernador na kumpleto ang mga gamot sa ating hospital para hindi na kailangan bumili sa labas ang ating mga pasyente. Ito para ay sinisiguro na ating gobernador ang libreng gamot at pagpapagamot sa ating provincial hospital.
At siyempre po din natin ng konting pahayag ang Assistant Provincial Information Officer na si Mr. Alminiana.
Sir, good afternoon.
Yes, at sir, ano naman po ang itulong ninyo bilang kabahagi, kabalikat at kakampi ng Kapitolyo sa programa ni Honorable Governor Antonio Tico at siyempre sa tunanin ng Provincial Information Officer na si Mr. Nonilon Pagaliho.
Yes, first and foremost, good afternoon. As considered being the assistant of our PIO, Mr. Nonilon Pagaliho, well, whatever the concept or the paradigm design of our governor proposed concept for the betterment of the province, as much as possible, being an assistant of Mr. Nonilon Pagaliho, we will see to it that it is properly disseminated to people and then it is properly implemented. So that is one goal. My personal conviction as being the assistant of the PIO, Mr. Nonilon Pagaliho, that is my priority goal at this point in time.
At siyempre, at balikan po natin ang Provincial Information Officer na si Mr. Nonilon Pagaliho. Kaugnay naman sa ngayon natin po natin kanina na magkakaroon ng tuloy naman itong ipagpapatuloy nila itong programa sa radio upang ito may paabot naman sa Masbate itong mga programa ng lokal na pamahalaan ng lalawigan ng Masbate.
Yes, because of this strong commitment of the good governor to keep the Masbateños well informed of these programs, the good governor has already signed the renewal of our contract with DYME TV Radio, and this will be live on air at every 12:30 to 1:30 in the afternoon from Monday to Saturday. So para sa lahat ng Masbateño, mapapakinggan at mapapanood ninyo ang lahat ng mga programa ng ating gobernador kada alas 12:30 hanggang alas 1:30 ng hapon ng Lunes hanggang Sabado. Abangan niyo po ang lahat ng mga magagandang gagawin ng administrasyon ko.
Okay po, maraming salamat at yun po, abangan po natin mga kaibigan yung programa ng lokal na pamahalaan ng lalawigan ng Masbate sa pamagitan po ng dalawang matinig na kasamahan at kakampi ng Kapitolyo, ating Provincial Information Officer na si Mr. Nonilon Pagaliho. Mula po dito sa Masbate Provincial Capitol, ako po si kasama Just Igan Parion para sa MCDBN.